twinkling morning dears. How are you? I hope everybody is fine and happy. Today we are going to see a topic, data handling, chapter 8. Now we are going to see, take off page number 113. Okay, I hope everybody has taken yes. Now listen, here we are going to count the items given below and write the number. What are the fruits here? So you have carrot here, you have apple, strawberry and orange. Okay. Now shall we count how much you have? Yeah, we can count how many carrots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done? 4. Then how many strawberries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Next, how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. How many oranges are there? 1, 2, 3. So you have written everything. You know, in this kids, when you are in a KGs or in first standard, you would have counted and write. But thousands of years ago, there was no numbers to represent 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. Instead, they use fingers, rock. They'll go and keep the rock. Okay. They'll count 5 bananas and keep 1 rock to it. Okay. And sticks to use to represent the numbers. Okay. So now we are going to see tally marks. How to tally the marks. The tally mark is a way to keep track of numbers. Like one vertical line is made for each of the first 4 numbers and the 5th number is represented by a diagonal line across the previous 4. See, represent how I will write it. First, 1 means I'll write 1. Okay. 2 things if I want to do means I will draw 2 lines. 3 means how will I do? I'll draw 3 lines. 4 means I'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. And 5 means, listen here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and I'll cross this line diagonally. Okay, this is called diagonal line. I'm connecting the top line to the end of this line. Okay, so I get the 5. Okay, I want 6. What I do? 6 is what? 5 plus 1, isn't it dear? So 5 is you have to draw like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 plus 1. This is 6. Is it clear? Okay. Now 7 means what? It is 6, 7, 5 plus 1, 2. Okay. So how will you write this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 8 means what? 5 plus 3, isn't so? So how will you do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So it is 8. 9 means what? 5 plus 4, isn't it dear? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and this became 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 10, how will you represent 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the way you have to represent the tally marks. Okay. So here it is already given here. Understand? In the page number 114 you have given the tally marks from 1 to 10 is given. Okay. Now how you can understand how to represent it. Now just please match with 8.1. Exercise 8.1. Can you match this first duckling? How many ducklings are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it there? So 6 is, where is 6 here? Yeah. 5 plus 1. So you can match this. Okay. Next, how many apples are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is 5 here? Yeah. Very good. Next, how many balloons are here? 1, 2, 3. Where is 3 here? Yeah. Enjoy. Here 2 bells are here, isn't it? Where is 2? Yeah. 1 aeroplane is here. 1. Right? You can represent it. Likewise, we will see a survey sum. See here, Rahul did a survey of favorite subject of his classmates. Okay. Imagine I am going to teach you maths in your class. Okay. I am coming and asking you which subject you like more. Okay. So here he used tally marks to represent the data he had collected. The following table represents the data. Read the table and answer the question that follows. So here I am asking you who likes English more. So students will raise their hands, and I will count how many of them are favorite subject is English. Okay. So here how many of them have favorite English? So 5 plus 5 and 2 is here. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12. So 12 of them like what? English. Likewise Hindi, 5 plus 2, 7. Next mathematics, 5, 10, 15. Very good. Science, likewise 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next to social science, 5. So this already has given. So what is the question? Which is the favorite subject of the students here? Who is the many? How many of them have the favorite? Max is more, isn't it, dear? So 1, 2, 3. They are having favorite as 15. Okay. So Max is the favorite subject of the students, as maximum number of tally marks is 15. As against mathematics. Okay. So how many students like English? English, yes, it is what? 12. So that to the next of Max it is 12. Isn't it, dear? How many students like science? They can write 8. What is the total strength of the class? Means what you have to do? Have to add everything. Like what? 12 plus what? Likewise all. 12 plus 7 plus 15 plus 8 plus 5. Like that, if you add totally, you will get 47. I will give you a hint to add easily. Okay. You know 5 table, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count all the 5s. Okay, 8 5s are 40. Then count the other ones. So it is 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 47. Easily you can count it. So first you have to count the 5s. Okay, right. Likewise, how many students like Maths more than Science? So here number of students like Mathematics is, you know, that 15. So number of students who like Science is 8. So 15 minus 8 is what? Yeah, 7. Okay, dear. Yes. Likewise, we are going to do one sum exercise 8.2 page number 116. You are going to do along with me. Take your pencil. You can do it. See here, the following table shows the number of students using different modes of transport to reach school. Read the table and answer the question that follows. Here, this is the mode of transport. You come to school by car, van, bus, walk, cycle, auto. Okay. So, which you prefer? It is has taken as a tally. Okay. So here, ma'am is asking, how many students travel by car to school? So they will raise their hands, isn't it, dear? So how many of them are there? 5, isn't it, dears? So you will write there what? 5. Okay. So write it in the A part as 5. How many students walk to school? 1, 2, 3. So you'll write 3 here. Right. Find the total number of students using van and auto to reach the school. Van is where? Van and auto. Okay. So listen here. Van is how much? 1, 2, 3. So 5 3s are 15. Can you understand how I am adding? This is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Then go to auto. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. Okay. So total number of students who travel by van and auto is 25. Okay. So you can write by van it is 15 and by auto it is 10. Okay. Van is 15, auto is 10. So total if they ask, you can write it as 25. Okay. Right. How many students come to school by cycle? Then you can write 2. Only 2 of them are coming by cycle. Okay. What is the total strength of the class? I have said you how to add easily. First you add all the 5s. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total what? 7. 7 5s are? Yeah, 35. 7 5s are 35. Then now count all the ones. Okay. So what do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 35 plus 7, 42. So you can write the answer as 42. Easily you can add. Okay, dear. So repeatedly I am saying first you add all the 5s first. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 5s. 7 5s are 35. Rest of the ones are 7. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So add 35 plus 7 is 42. Okay, it's easy. It's easy. Likewise, can you do this sum? Yes. The second sum, you will do it. Good. So the same way you can do it. Okay. Now we'll go for the pictograph. Here, the pictograph is a way of representing data using pictures or image. You can use what for a picture like this, a smiley. Okay. This represents one student. Or I can say a book. It represents 5 books. One book is equal to 5. Okay. Likewise, I can represent any picture you can represent. I can represent apple. Okay, in the shop, many apples are there. They are counting. Okay, so I can represent 10. If they count 10, they will draw one apple. Okay, so I likewise, what you can do, a vendor selling banana. Okay, he is sending banana. So banana means it is what? 20 banana is equal to 1 banana. He will count and draw 1 banana. Okay, so this is called pictograph. Okay, so pictures, we represent it. So pictograph is a way of representing data using pictures or images. Now we are going to see one example. Okay, the monitor of a class was asked to maintain the absentees register in a particular week. He had recorded the number of absentees as follows in the tabular column. See here, he has represented Monday, how many absentees? 1, 2, 3. In Tuesday, how many absentees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Wednesday, 1, 2. Thursday, nobody. And Friday, 1. So here the scale is, this one smiley is 1 student. It's not at all a problem. Okay. So you can go with questions given below. How many students were absent on Monday means it is what? 3 students. All absent on Monday. On which day were all students present? It is what? Thursday. On which day did the maximum number of students take leave? So it is what? Tuesday. Like that, the questions goes on. Okay. But you go for the next thing, how you can do it. See here, in a class of 4 different groups are formed for a quiz competition. Okay. Each group choose a name. That is Valley, Mist, Sunshine and Spring. So one group, they kept their name as Valley, Mist, Sunshine and Spring. Okay, each group's name it is. The class monitor used a tally mark to get the number of students in each group. So here they will write the group house name. The house name is what? Valley, Mist and Sunshine and Spring. Okay. So here number of students in the valley is how much? You can say easily, you can look at it here and say, isn't it? How many students? 5 plus 3 is 8. Here Mist, 5 plus 5 is 10. Here Sunshine, 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 2 is 12. Yes. Likewise Spring, 5 plus 5 is 10. So Spring and Mist has same number of students. Here, what they want to represent is, he tried to represent each number using picture. He thought of drawing 10 smiley faces would be difficult. So he represent the data in the following way. He used one smiley to represent 2. Okay. So here, one smiley is 2. Okay, dear. See here, I'll draw a smiley. This smiley represent 2 students. Okay, dear. Okay. If I need 4 students, I will represent how many smileys? Yeah, I'll represent 2 2s are 4. Isn't it? So, 2 smileys I'll represent. So, imagine here, I represent like this. How many students are there? 3, isn't it? You will write 3. No, isn't it here? 1 smiley is equal to what? 2 students. So, 3 smiley is equal to 3 2s are 6 students. Isn't it here? Yes. Likewise, here they have represented the smiley. Here, see here, the valley, mist, sunshine, spring. Everybody have represented by the smileys. See here we have already calculated, isn't it dear? So it is 8 students in the valley. Okay. So it will be what? 4 into 2 is 8. Likewise, mist means it is 10 students. 5 into 2 is 10. So in terms of 2, I have separated the calculation. Okay, so if you want 8 means how will you represent the smiley for the valley? 1 2 3 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, likewise mist means it is how many students in the mist? You have 10, isn't it dear? So how many smiley I have to draw? 5 into 2, so is 10. So I will draw 5 smileys. Sunshine means it is what? 12. So it is what? 6 twos are 12. I will draw 6 smileys. And spring is how much? 10. So 5 twos are 10. I will draw 5 smileys. So likewise you can represent this. Can you do this as an example with exercise 8.3? So here what is given is the amount of rainfall recorded in a week is given in the pictograph. Okay. So here it is given from Saturday to Sunday to Saturday, the week is given, and the quantity of rain has given here in mm. Okay, so here one droplet is 5 mm. Okay, so imagine 5 mm rain is on Sunday. Sunday is what? 1 2 3 4 5. So it is 5 mm or 5 into 5. Very good. It is what? 5 into 5 is 25 mm. That you have to write it here, 25. And here how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 5s are 35. Likewise here Tuesday 2. So 5 2s are 10. Likewise here only 1. So it is 5. Thursday there is no rain. So dash. Again Friday it is 3. So 15. And Saturday it is 1. So it is 5. Okay, so it represents 1 means it is what? 5 mm rain. Okay dear. So now can you answer this? Which day had the maximum rain? Very good. Monday by 35 mm. Likewise, which day had no rain? Very good. It is what? Thursday. Likewise, did it rain more on Saturday or Tuesday? Saturday is how much? 5. And Tuesday is how much? 10. So, which day is more? Tuesday, right. So, what was the amount of rainfall on Sunday? Sunday, how much it is? 25 mm. What was the amount of rainfall on Monday? 35 mm. So, likewise, you can do the same sum here. Here, 1 book is equal to 7 books. Okay, dear. So, you can complete this with this help of this notes. You can complete the worksheet 1, 2 and 3. So, if you have any doubt, you can call me or we can meet in the Zoom interaction. Thank you, dears.